So yeah, I haven't made a video in a long time, primarily because I keep having to stop and do things, and be interrupted, during my projects. So like on Monday, for instance, I was trying to plant all of my tomatoes when I discovered there were baby bunnies hidden in my garden that I had just reinforced against bunnies. So I basically had to stop what I was doing, and fence everything in so that the little monsters wouldn't eat everything that I had just planted. So I just planted some more Roma tomatoes, but I have all of these, still have all of these that I haven't planted yet, and they're all like, help me, help me. I got some in there, and we'll just have to keep plugging away at it. But let me show you what things are looking like. Hello, my love. Are you enjoying being outside? Yeah. Oh, you're so pretty. I'm glad you like being outside. Pretty. Yeah. Check out this weird slime mold thing that just appeared overnight. Or this morning. I don't think I remember seeing it this morning, but I'm gonna have to Google it. It's gross. It's like a jelly. I just poked it. I don't know if you can see it. Ugh. Anyway, the bok choy are bolting. So, yeah, I'm gonna have to, like, harvest them. They're not full heads yet, but I got really close, you guys. It was my dream. And I didn't get it again because 80-degree weather. But yeah, so here we are. This year I am planting a bunch of things in containers. So this is a sweetie cherry tomato. This is a chickpea. I planted at least 5, and that's the only one that came up. Not to get chickpeas. I don't think we have enough growing season for that. And then these over here, I'm pretty sure are potatoes that were just left over in the dirt. I did not put them there on purpose. My raspberries are absolutely popping. I don't have any berries yet, obviously, but there will be lots of them. And you can see they've actually escaped the raised bed, which is fine. But yeah, I'm excited for that. I've got some flowering onions, and then I have some new onions. Which is great. I kind of just went with the seeds in the fall. And same thing with the calendula. I don't know if you can see all these little things down there. That's all calendula, and I'm super pumped about it because the bees love it, and I love it, and it's just pretty and beautiful. And then there's my sorrel that's coming back up. I haven't taken any of it yet this spring, but I really should because it's delicious. So it's seeding some more, so I'm gonna have a lot more again, but yeah. Oh, lettuce. So I could probably get some of that, like a head of lettuce eventually, but it keeps getting hot, so it might bolt too. This is my grapevine. I don't know if it'll make grapes this year, but that's where it is at the moment. These are slicing tomatoes that I took from a tomato, like I took the seeds from a tomato and sprouted them, and they're all doing pretty good, actually. I'm surprised. This is parsley that reseeded itself from last year, which is exciting. I'm not sure how much bigger it's going to get, but it smells lovely. And then these are the lettuces that I posted about that were struggling, and they are surviving, so I'm pleased about that. We have more calendula sprouting, and I did plant some yellow squash over here, but they haven't done anything yet. And I planted some beans over here, and again, they haven't done anything yet. But all these little sprouts are coming up, so it'll be entertaining to see if they're actually vegetables or if they're just weeds. So I made a hole in the fence to make sure that Mama Bunny can get in. I did know that this was a rhubarb that they ate down to the stub, and it is coming back, but yeah, I didn't do a good job with fencing this in, so I guess it'll be a good indication to see whether or not there's a bunny in here if this goes away again. But I got my collard greens in the ground, and I did scatter a bunch of scallions over here, scallion seeds, so I'm not sure if any of these are them, but yeah, we'll see. These are my teeny tiny peppers. Teeny tiny peppers. We'll see if they make any fruit. I'm not good at peppers. Alright, and this is what everybody really wants to see. The little monsters. Hi, little monsters. Oh my gosh, you're the cutest thing I've ever seen. I love you. Please don't eat my plants. There's so many of them in here, you guys. Boop, boop, boop. Stay cool. She just ran around the yard with an ice cube in her mouth because she's crazy. It's a beautiful day outside, and now we're going to eat dinner, and I hope you enjoyed seeing all the things that were in my garden until tomorrow, and then I will show you some more things on a different channel.